Fine sawdust from the Centre for Fine Woodwork. What goes on inside this centre? What are the students building in there? And how do they relate to their famous director, John Shaw? Let's take a look inside.
Don't worry about watering it down, just get it on.
Okay.
Just get it on! We're done.
This is the commentary box. Comments to make on this one? Talk.
As usual, they use more glue than I thought they would. You know, they always
Yeah.
pour the glue out.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be heaps, but then halfway through, I'm like, God, we need more glue.
You got any comments to make, Digby?
And type 1 through is a bit of a pain. If you leave it open too long, it doesn't bond very well.
Okay, so how did you feel about it?
Oh, it's good.
It's a very impressive look of clamps and things.
I need 1.9. Just don't. You can't be slow. The problem with quarter sawing is, you think about quarter sawing, you know, you're running the radial out from the tree. By the time you're taking the pith, the sap, and then the crack around the middle of the tree.
How much are we getting paid for this?
No, till later.
Where's the hammer?
I got the hammer.
Right, yep, there's
Go all the way.
Yeah. That's probably all we need to get there. You've been here for a little bit.
Good on. No, you're right.
3 rows instead of 4. The whole thing's got to be unwound.
Intricate job of final fitting.
Finished products.
Right.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with this picture?
Now you're the actor. I'm the cameraman.
Of Ruston's Danish oil, which I quite like to use actually. It's quick and easy. It's a lot easier than waxing, that's for sure. Here is superb. A work of art. Oh, and John's a great tutor, you know, like he's always...
Oh, it's a great place to learn. It's a really neat environment, lots of fun, great classmates, fantastic teaching.
I'm glad you realise that. I've been waiting and waiting, you know. Not only is he standing to a finish, he's standing to bloody make mistake. Fuck me.
This is great.
Oh, you're just taking aesthetically pleasing pictures, aren't you?
No. About the system for cleaning up and sort of management of the place.
Oh, yeah, we all do our bit, yeah.
What, including the director, John Shaw?
Yeah, he chips in.
He does?
He does his fair share.
Okay, yeah.
Soon you'll be telling me to sweep up as well.
Yeah. Woodwork Centre. Do you think he's a good public relations man?
Well, he's not really like one of those city types and really into the PR, but yes, I guess he would always like to put his best face forward for the camera.
Can you just push it
We'll just whip the handles off and see if it's still beer.
Can we get these on?
There's no smalls on there, but socks.